That easy. Okay guys, see how easy that was. The only thing came off of this one, the one to your right on your passenger side, it's a little washer in front of it, and pretty much slid right off. I'm gonna put the new one on and pick up from there. Oh, by the way, again, this is the new one. Should probably get some money for this, but anyway, I bought it through these guys. And if you give them the make and model, they'll hook you up. Got this on eBay. It's only well, this one cost me $116, but you know, it's a Mercedes. What can you say? Anyway, this is the new one. I'm gonna put it on in a second. I'll be back.